Hey y'all, Stand Up Gamer here with another vlog. And today we have another episode of me being financially irresponsible. If you've seen my other vlogs, you probably saw me buy this 5090 with money I didn't really have. I really bought it out of impulse because it was in stock and it was at MSRP. And like I was saying, I didn't really have the money for it, nor did I really have a system for it. And by system, I mean a power supply. So after very little research and more impulse buying, I ended up buying this SFX power supply from Thermaltake that was ATX 3.1 so that it could be compatible with the 5090. I do have this full ATX 1000 watt EVGA power supply that's also platinum rated that my friend gave me. However, again, it's ATX and I really wanted to build a smaller system. So again, being irresponsible, I had to go SFX. In honest truth, the power supply is really not that bad. It is platinum rated, it's 1000 watts, it's got ATX 3.1, but Corsair just has such a better reputation. This is the old SF750. It's not really compatible with the 5090, even though I have the Corsair 12 volt cable. 750 is just cutting it too close. And you might be wondering, what research did I even do to arrive at the Thermaltake? By light research, I meant that I went to the Cybernetics website, and they reviewed the Thermaltake power supply. And despite Thermaltake's reputation, it still got a platinum rating for 115 volts. Compared to the Corsair, which also got a platinum rating for 115 volts. It also got platinum for 230 volts, but I don't really care about that since I'm in the US. But what really irked me about the Thermaltake was the fact that it had a noise level of 32.9 dBA, while the Corsair had a 24.9 dBA rating. That's a lot quieter. So going back to how I'm financially irresponsible, I bought the Thermaltake on Amazon. It was on sale for about $188 plus tax. For $188, I thought it was a pretty good deal considering the real price is around $250. But again, being financially irresponsible, I forgot that I bought a bunch of gift cards on Newegg. In the beginning of October, Newegg had this little deal where if you bought a $50 gift card, they'd also give you $10 back. And so I bought 2 of them for $100 and I got $20 back. So basically I had $120 of money sitting in Newegg and totally forgot about it because again, financially irresponsible. And during the time of this recording, Newegg even had a sale on the Corsair power supply. I think they were knocking off like 20 bucks or so. But I was able to stack that $20 discount along with my gift cards. So all in all, I paid $110 for the power supply that I really wanted in the first place. And you might be saying to yourself, well, you're not actually paying $110 because you already bought the gift cards. You're right, but I forgot I paid those gift cards already, so it feels like I only paid $110. So the power supply should come in around 5 days or so. And I've already started the return process for the Thermaltake. Thankfully, Amazon has a pretty good return policy, so I haven't opened it, and I'll just be returning it. And I'll take you with me returning it. Speaking again of being financially irresponsible, I forgot to mention that when I was returning the power supply on Amazon, it actually offered me a deal where I think they were going to offer me like 30 bucks to keep the unit. And I'll be honest, I did contemplate doing that, but I guess I lied. I wasn't completely financially irresponsible today because I said no, I want to return it. Honestly, I think if I had bought the SF1000 from Amazon and found it cheaper on Newegg and then they offered me the same deal, I'd probably just keep both because it is kind of nice to have 2 power supplies. Like one I could use from a main PC and the other one I could use like for the builds I do for this channel. But I think if I had kept the Thermaltake power supply, I would not have been happy with it. Not completely irresponsible today, but still kind of irresponsible. So I'm at Kohl's now, and I bet you any money the Google algorithm probably thinks I shop here all the time because this is where I return all my items. Being in here reminds me I haven't actually bought clothes for myself in a long time and I really should. I'm sure my wife is tired of me looking like a homeless person whenever we're outside because I waste all my money on PC parts. So I'm at the Amazon returns, but it looks like, oh, I have to do the returns at customer service instead. Okay, more walking. So whenever you return something for Amazon at Kohl's, they give you this little coupon thing. And I think in all the years that I've been returning stuff to Kohl's, I've never used this. It's so strange that this parking lot has no lights. Well, I guess it has lights there. But everywhere else is kind of creepy. And now I'm just heading back home. I'm back home in my garage and I'm so glad I was able to return that power supply. I just realized I had the wrong web page up for the Thermaltake test on Cybernetics. And Again, it's same thing. Basically, it got platinum for the 115, but it only got silver for 230. One thing that I did miss in the previous page was the fact that under the notes for the testing, it had issues with the OCP, which is the over current protection. And essentially what they're saying is that it didn't shut down both in normal and hot conditions. So that's not good. It just adds more to my relief that I'm going with the Corsair and not the Thermaltake. So I'm glad I returned the Thermaltake. But I'm still a little sad that I haven't been able to open up the 5090 yet since I got it. I have to wait for 5 days before that new power supply comes in. In the meantime, I will be doing all the video editing for the new PC case I'm designing. I have over like 6 hours of video I have to go through and edit. I am excited to show this new video where I showcase my new case though. So if you like this vlog, give it a like. If you want to see more, make sure to subscribe. And if you want to see a sneak peek of the case I'm designing now, go ahead and join my Patreon. I'll put a link down below. I'll see you all tomorrow. But like...